Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of July. And first of all, national news. Flight services hit massive traffic jams in Delhi after heavy rain. Lok Sabha adjourned for day amid opposition protest over price rise. Amid rise in COVID cases, Centre asked states to monitor home isolation cases. Train fare concessions not to be back anytime soon, Minister cites heavy cost. In the wake of two confirmed cases, Kerala government issued standard operating procedure for monkeypox treatment. It is cruel to raise taxes, Congress leader slammed Centre on new GST hike. Delhi University colleges begin offline classes for A section of students on Wednesday. Electric vehicles, more than 13 lakh EVs in use in India, government said. Jamia Millia Islamia witnessed the highest overall placement performance for various programs for the batch 2022. And now some international news. A study has claimed that certain wild bats have long-term memory of sounds carried out by researchers at the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute. Homes destroyed by wildfires across London on hottest day. Railway infrastructure was damaged due to record heat in the UK. Hundreds evacuated after wildfire cases surged in suburbs of Greece on Wednesday. Crisis-wrecked Sri Lanka's divisions had come to an end, the country's new president Ranil Wickremesinghe said on Wednesday. And now some sports news. Pakistan on Wednesday reclaimed the third spot in the World Test Championship tables after beating Sri Lanka in the first test at the Galle International Stadium. Banned me from T20s to Kevin Peterson's dig at ECB after Ben Stokes quits ODIs. BCCI President Saurav Ganguly has denied he is a part of Legends League cricket. Former Australia all-rounder Shane Watson will be playing in the upcoming Legends League cricket. After Tokyo High, India now target historic Commonwealth Games gold. And now some news related to business. Dubai unveiled metaverse strategy aims to create 40,000 virtual jobs. Dubai's Museum of the Future will be host the Dubai Metaverse Assembly in September. Rupees fall against dollar lower than other major currencies. CEA, both the government and RBI have taken measures to check the outflow of dollars. The CEA said Microsoft offered greater data control, launch sovereign cloud for governments. EU told members to cut gas usage by 15% on new Russia supply warning. PF, Provident Fund subscribers increased over 80% in May from a year ago. Wipro reported 21% decline in June quarter profit as expenses rise. Sensex jumped 630 points on firm global trends. Nifty reclaimed 16,500. And now let's have a look on weather. On 21st July, the temperature at the daytime will reach to 31 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.